Hi, I'm Chairman Curt Hagman. We're here with our business of quarter at Euclid Chiropractic, here with Dr. Tony Gratovic.
Yep.
Great to be here with you. You're such a community partner, and we want to congratulate you. San Bernardino County, we believe in our small businesses, and it's nice to highlight one a quarter that's not just a great small business and take care of their clients and stuff, but also has the ability to help out the community. And Tony, you've been doing that for a long time.
Oh, yeah.
Wanted to recognize you and your team's efforts, but
Yes.
tell a little bit about your practice first of all.
We've been a chiropractic practice since 1980. It's been a long time. I'm the fifth doctor here. We do a lot of old school stuff. We call people, we do paper and pen, we keep it very classy. We want to make sure people feel like they're personally taken care of in a professional manner. Understanding their quality of life is not based on just their back or neck, but also the ability to stretch, to strengthen, to have a clear mind and just be less stressed over time. So our job is, yes, get them out of pain, but also get them stronger so they can handle the stress of their day. It's time, effort, knowledge, and experience. We get those down over time so you know how to deal with everyone in your environment and your work, so you have that something to pull from your brain to bring out to help anyone that comes in for your service.
You do more than what your practice is here. Talk a little bit about your extracurricular volunteerism for the community.
When I'm not in the office, what we do is a lot of talks at the Gibson Senior Center once a month with them. This week I did talk with Keck Institute in Claremont to their students, going into how do you look for mentorships, how to look for internships, how to get your mind right for the next level of maybe healthcare or not. Also talked with Upland High School with their pre-med students.
We're so proud to honor you this quarter to show off all the great work you do both for the city of Upland, your practice, and just the community at large.
Thank you.
On behalf of the county, we want to give you this certificate of recognition, showing all your great deeds, and we really appreciate everything you're doing.
Thank you.